In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up free email forwarding with Namecheap, step by step, so you can create professional email addresses for your domain and have those messages delivered straight to your personal inbox. This is a simple and powerful setup for small businesses, creators, freelancers, and anyone who wants a more professional email presence without paying for a full mailbox. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your domain list. This is where all of the domains connected to your account are managed. Find the domain you want to set up email forwarding for, then click Manage. That will open the settings for that specific domain. Next, go to the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap keeps the DNS-related controls for your domain, including mail and redirect settings. Now scroll down until you find mail settings. You'll see a drop-down menu here, and you want to select email forwarding. This tells Namecheap that you want to use forwarding instead of a hosted mailbox. After selecting email forwarding, click the save or checkmark icon to apply the change. That step is important because it activates the forwarding option for your domain. Once that's done, go back to the domain section. Now scroll down until you find the redirect email section. This is where you'll create the actual forwarding rules. Click Add Forwarder to start adding a new forwarding address. In the alias field, type the email prefix you want to use. For example, you can enter support, info, hello, or any other name that matches the purpose of the address. So if you want support at your domain, you would enter support here. Then, in the forward to field, enter your personal email address. This is the inbox where you want all forwarded messages to arrive. Make sure you type it correctly because this is where Namecheap will send the emails. Once both fields are filled in, click the checkmark icon to save the forwarder. After that, the forwarding rule is active and any email sent to that alias at your domain will be delivered to your personal email account. You can repeat the same process if you want to create more aliases like sales, contact, or orders, depending on how you want to organize your communication. This is a great way to look more professional while still checking everything from one inbox. If you run into any issues, double check that the domain is properly selected, the forwarding setting is saved, and the alias matches the exact email prefix you want to use. And that's it. You've now set up free email forwarding with Namecheap. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple setup guide.